Here's part 2 of your Chapter 3 study guide. For the problem solving part, it says the bike rental shop charges $9 plus $4 an hour for renting a bike. Brennan paid $33 to rent a bike. How many hours did he have the bike checked out? Part A, we have to define a variable. The question asks how many hours he had the bike checked out. So I would like to use X or the letter H to represent hours. You can choose whatever variable you want. Now we're going to write our linear equation. So back to the question, it says the bike rental shop charges $9 plus $4 an hour for renting a bike. So that would look like this, 9 plus $4 per hour to rent the bike. Brennan paid $33 to rent the bike. So there is our two-step equation. I just pulled it from the word problem. Now we're going to solve the equation to find out the number of hours that he had the bike checked out. So our first step would be subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. That cancels out the 9 and leaves us with 4h equals 24. Then we divide both sides by 4. That tells us our answer. Brennan had the bike for 6 hours. So defining the variable by looking at what the question is to figure out what it's asking you. Then set up your two-step equation and solve. The next problem says Wesley subscribes to a telecommunication company's movie package. The plan includes a basic monthly charge of $40 and an additional charge of $1.50 for every movie ordered. Write an equation for the total charge for the month, C, in terms of the number of movies, M, that Wesley orders per month. So again, we need to establish our equation. Looking back, it says the basic monthly plan, it has a charge of $40 and an additional charge of $1.50 for every movie. Now this time we don't know the total charge, but it says to write the equation for the total charge for the month C in terms of the number of movies ordered. So looking back at the word problem up here, it's $40 and an additional charge of $1.50, and it tells us to use M for the number of movies ordered. Now, for part 2, if he orders 4 movies, 4 of these, what's the total charge? So that is, C is 40 plus 4 movies. So I'm going to substitute in 4 for the number of movies. Now we're going to solve. Okay, so let's solve here. So we're going to do $1.50 times 4 and then add 40 to it. So $1.50 times 4 is 6. And then 40 plus 6 is 46. So the cost would be $46 for that month.